how's it going, guys? Making money by watching videos has been trending online because of how this money-making scheme is available worldwide and it's free to do, no cash out required. And making an educated guess, I would say that you probably watch videos on YouTube every day. And so thinking of monetizing something that you actually enjoy and already do on a day-to-day basis is kind of a no-brainer, wouldn't you say? In today's video, we'll be talking about how to make money watching videos online using what's called social media engagement exchange website. And if that sounds great to you, well, no need to worry because I will be going through each of the steps so you not only see how this works, but that you're also able to start and actually try it out for yourself right after watching this video. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways to make money online. Your financial freedom is our ultimate goal, and so this is what we talk about day in and day out on this channel. Do make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below so we can make sure to keep you updated each time we post a new video. And with that said, let's go make some money! And the way we're going to be making money today, guys, is by watching videos on YouTube. Not just watching it plainly, but through what's called the Social Engagement Exchange website. And what that essentially does is exchange any form of engagement, such as likes, follows, videos, etc., for any social media platform that's available. And yes, you understood correctly. This means that you can essentially make money doing many other things, not just watching YouTube, but that's what we'll be focusing on today. Essentially, you'll be exchanging views for points, and it will be this same points that will allow you to get social engagements, which is how you'll get paid. Just think of the social media platforms that you frequent. Each platform has its own algorithm that helps push content that its users seem to enjoy, and whichever seems to be working or getting a lot of engagement is what the social media platforms will help promote even more. This in itself is an opportunity because people who need help promoting their content are actually willing to pay for it. And it's resourceful people like you and me who can turn these opportunities into gold mines so that as we help content creators promote their posts and get maximum engagements for them, we earn a little something from them as well. And if that sounds interesting to you, let me introduce the very first platform that we're going to be using today, and it's this website called addmefast.com. If you remember the term from earlier, this is a social media engagement exchange marketplace, and as you can see on their website, it says that they will help you grow your social presence. They allow you to look and choose who you want to like, subscribe, follow, view, and skip those who you're not interested in. So on their site, I want you to click on this button that says try for free now. Registration is quick and painless. Just type in your email address, your password of choice, and then click on I'm not a robot. After this, you'll simply need to verify your email address and you're in. Once you've logged in and find yourself on the dashboard, you'll find a ton of different ways that you can actually engage yourself in all these different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube. If you click on YouTube views, for example, you'll see here that it says view this video for 150 seconds for 40 points. So literally all you do is click on view video and a new window should pop up with the video that you get your points after watching it for the said duration. AddMeFast will also have a countdown timer so you can monitor how much longer you need to watch the video for. You don't need to watch any of the ads, so skipping them will be fine in case you encounter any. And right after watching, you'll be able to see that your points add up like so. Now, this website wants to make sure that there's an actual warm body engaging in social media instead of just bots. Now, while AddMeFast is the main website that we're going to be using, it's another site that we'll be making money from. And that site is called playerup.com. As is the usual, you'll need to sign up for an account to get started, so go ahead and do that. And once you've logged into your new account, you can click on Return to the forum homepage. And don't worry, while it does seem like it, this is not an exclusively gaming website. And then look for Facebook, which you'll find on the F page. Once you reach the Facebook page, you'll find a few categories, and I want you to go ahead and click on Facebook Likes, Buy and Sell Trade. After clicking on that, you should get to a page that looks something like this. And yes, people here actually do charge for Facebook likes. The range of how much they charge can be pretty wide. There are insane numbers like 2,000, 5,000, or even 10,000 likes for just a couple of dollars. And you do want to be careful because while a lot of these are legit, there are also a handful of people who are present with the intent to scam others by not making good on their commitments or by using bots instead of warm bodies to accumulate likes. And this is exactly why AdMeFast is a great platform. They make sure that the likes generated are made by real people and not bots. This is why you'll be encountering CAPTCHA in the middle of different tasks. Which means that you can also sell your engagements and use keywords like real humans, not bots. If you don't know how much to price your service, then you can copy some of the rates that you see here. For example, this person here is selling 200 Facebook likes for 20 bucks, and you can actually price yours for between 20 to 50 bucks. And all you need to do would be to click on this button here that says Post New Listing and just type in all of the listing details, modeling them after the ones on the site. So just click on this posting here, copy it, change it up a little, and post your ad. Simple as that. And now let's put everything together by heading over to the first site, admefast.com, and click on Add Site or Page. You can choose Facebook likes as the type, click on Worldwide for your countries, create a title. This can be anything you want really. For example, 200 clicks from user X from PlayerUp. On page URL, you can then add the Facebook page or post, whatever you're collecting likes for, right? And then under total clicks, you'll need to click on add and put 200. Under daily clicks, put any target that you've set. For example, if you want to reach 200 likes in 5 days, then you'll want to put 60 for the daily clicks. Finally, for the cost per click, this is where you can specify how many points you'll want to give in exchange for the likes that you get on this network. So you can choose any number that you prefer, but I think 5 is a good place to start. You can actually work backwards to compute how many minutes worth of videos you would actually need to watch. So let's do that computation really quickly. 1,000 points divided by 40 points makes 25, which means that you'll need to watch 150 seconds 25 times, or a total of 3,750 seconds, which is also equivalent to 62.5 minutes. 62 minutes is just a little over an hour, and if you're able to sell 200 likes between $20 to $50 on PlayerUp, then that would mean that you would make $20 to $50 for every hour of work that you do. That's really it for this strategy. I hope you learned something new and that it got your creative juices flowing. There really is a ton of ways that you can make money online as long as you're resourceful and you're willing to learn and to try new things. If you have any questions, do leave them down below and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. I do read each and every comment that you guys leave me and wanted to tell you how much I appreciate how engaged you all have been. We have many more money-making ideas that you might want to try out, and I'll leave links to those for you in the description box or comment section below, so don't forget to check those out. In return, all I ask is that you leave me a like, give me a share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. Alrighty then, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.